Hi, in this video I will tell you about how to use the editor and add multimedia to your lesson. Let's start with the text editor. After entering the lesson, you will see a toolbar for text formatting. It allows you to adjust paragraph formatting, choose text styles, bold, italic, underline, change the font, its size and color, create numbered and bulleted lists, as well as align paragraphs. You can also add links to your lesson and create quotes with custom styles. Additionally, the editor supports adding tooltips and variables, inserting emojis and special characters, editing HTML code, resetting text styles to default, undoing and redoing recent action, and also full screen mode for easier work. Now let's talk about multimedia. To add a multimedia element to your lesson, click on the lesson area and the plus symbol will appear. By clicking it, you can select the type of element you need. Available options: uploading images and videos from your device, embedding external multimedia code, creating tables, uploading PDF or other files, adding audio files, inserting elements via embed code or code snippets, using dividers to structure the text, and configuring dynamic content that adapts to each student. Don't forget to save all changes so they are applied to your lesson. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy!